It's the plus that we put on the car in order to give this kind of car a Ferrari.
That plus is the unique way they build cars at Maranello. Where else but inside the Ferrari factory do you find trees to brighten the spirit and some of the most famous examples of the brand to stir the soul?
State-of-the-art emotion to drive, technology, innovation, and a unique piece of art. So this is a common goal for each Ferrari car.
There are no public tours of the Ferrari factory. Maybe that's because they don't want you to ever see a Ferrari moving so slow. Each car stops at more than 30 different assembly stations for up to an hour. There is no rush. Part of making a Ferrari is making it hard to get. Total production is intentionally limited to 5,400 cars a year.
If you think that most of our customers do wait over 20 months to get in touch, to take delivery of their car, that's one of the, the measure you have to understand how deep is the link, the relationship between our cars and our customers.
Building a Ferrari is remarkably high-tech. Robots paint each aluminum body without any human workers in sight. The engine is a special part of any Ferrari, and watching them being built is no exception. One technician builds one entire engine from start to finish, crafting the heart of the Ferrari, especially for their newest car, the 599 GTB Fiorano, is a very personal achievement.
The engine, which is the V12 engine, most powerful that we have into production today, the engine is coming directly from the Enzo Ferrari, and it delivers 620 horsepower.
The V12 is built by both hand and machine. A robot drops each valve seat into super cold liquid to microscopically shrink the metal, while another machine heats the engine block to make it expand ever so slightly. Then a third robot soaks the whole assembly to match temperatures and fuse the pieces together. The fit is perfect. Weight is the enemy of all super sports cars. Each new Ferrari carries an aluminum body over an aluminum space frame, and each car coming down the line is unique.
What is different from car to car is the way you can configure your car. 16 different colors, 12 different genuine leathers color for the interior, and 8 different carpets. On top of this, to configure the trimming, for instance, for dashboard or door panel. And we got light aluminum, dark aluminum, carbon fiber.
Here's a mind-blowing number. Add up all the color, trim, and factory-installed options, multiply the different combinations by your choice of the F430 Coupe or convertible, the 612 four-seater, or the new 599 GTB, and there are about 4 million different ways to build a Ferrari. And the factory will build whatever you want, as long as it's still a Ferrari.
In some cases, we have very strange requests, adding some doors, adding some hatchback style. I mean, in some cases, they really want to change the style of this car. So, I mean, we have to say yes, we have to say not.
The most popular Ferrari color is red, Ferrari red. It is the only shade of red you can get.
There is a limit that we put in order to preserve and to keep the values of our brand.